Welcome to KDS Bhavani Packaging. A lot goes behind guarding the perishable cargo. Chemicals, plastics, steel, textile, pharmaceutical and other products until they reach the consumers. The most essential element is their perfect and quality packaging, which consists of the wooden pallets. And in order to ensure that the packaging is up to the mark, it is important to have quality wooden pallets, which require special attention and safety during its production. How we maintain supremacy during our pallets production? Safety. We have a dedicated security cabin right outside the production area in order to maintain safety. Our entrance gate is also facilitated with air curtains to control dust. Our manufacturing factory conforms to various upscale elements like 24/7 CCTV setup, fire alarm, smoke detector and theft alarm. We also offer Wi-Fi and intercom facilities in the premises. Protection and safety of and for the workers, which includes helmets, shoes, eye gears, masks, gloves, fire extinguishers and all other necessary safety measurements. Power backup facility so that the production doesn't get interrupted. Insight to the space and process. The space is facilitated with fluorescent epoxy hard cement color-coated flooring. We have a wide area to segregate space for each step. Separate area for consumables and tools. In order to deliver professional service and ease in the worker's task, we have implemented the latest machinery. We have additional facilities like separate sawdust cabin, exhaust fan, air ventilation system. The real process and hard work kickstarts from here, from the raw planks. These raw wooden planks need to be in the exact dimension of the pallets. Our explicit team, with the help of the cutting machine, cut the plank in the exact required dimension. Post this to ensure perfect finishing, the planks undergo the grinding process. Once the finishing is achieved, the planks are set to be used to build the pallets. We have jig and fixtures for the exact pallets dimensions to maintain consistency in the size of the pallets. As the blocks are placed, our well-experienced team starts to place on the planks to form the pallets. Planks are placed, the professionals secure the plank with the nail guns. Nail guns ensure that the planks are locked firmly. As one side of it is completed, the workers carefully flip the plate to the other side and repeat the same steps of placing and nailing. Once the pallets are formed, they are off the laying sheet and stacked carefully, one above the other. For easy movement of the pallets, we have our own forklift which carries the pallets from one place to another with ease. We understand the perishable cargo and pharma are stored in the pallets. Thus, we ensure that they are fumigated via forced hot air treatment facility. Once the fumigation and inspection process is completed, the pallets are set to load. We have dock leveler, which provides ease in loading and unloading of the pallets. With preciseness, inspection, efficiency, technology and well-skilled staff, we produce quality wooden pallets. KDS Bhavani Packaging.